Hi guys, it's Ross from Ross Perry Productions. Today I'm going to be showing you the exhaust note of a standard can versus a Yoshimura Tri-Oval can with the baffle and without the baffle on a 2004 or 2005 K4 or K5 GSXR 600. And what I'll try and do is I'll chop together the video so you hear the standard, the Yoshi with a baffle in, and then the Yoshi without at different rev ranges as well. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it and maybe found it helpful. Maybe it's made you decide to buy a Yoshimura can. Please give me the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel.